Turn this way. What's that? Is that a card?
Help him open that because that's harder. Or show him where, because...
Look it. Are you gonna stop watching Caillou? Here. Who's this?
Fu?
Yeah, Fu, huh? Kung Fu?
Yeah.
Look it. You see him? That's a present itself.
Yeah, that's your card?
Here, look. Open your present. What's this?
Toys?
Well, give it to him.
Here, look.
Tell him what it's for.
Look, hey. This is
For football.
This is your football jersey.
Football?
Yeah, football. For the greatest team in the world.
Football?
Yeah. You want to wear it?
Football?
Daddy's got one just like this. Look.
I would not do that.
No? Here, we'll open this then. What's this? Open it. Right here. Turn it over.
Woody.
Who's that?
Buzz?
Buzz, yeah.
Hello?
This one? You want this one next?
Well, you gotta get the wrappings out of it so I could see.
There you go, right here. Pull it. There you go. Right here.
Those are yours.
Wow.
Ryder, what's in that box?
Cares more about the card than anything else. Oh wow, Daddy likes these. Look at now, you got new shoes.
Do you like these, Ryder? Your new shoes?
New shoes, huh?
Mommy likes them.
Okay,
You have
look,
one
you got
more?
one more. Look at here.
Present.
Uh-huh. Come on, rip it. There you go. What is it? No, what is it? Is it up?
Dogs?
Mm-hmm.
Bone? Dogs?
Mm-hmm.
You want to go watch the movie? Here, Daddy, I'll open this.
Ryder, what do you say for your presents?
It is you from
Say thank you.
No, thank
Get
you.
ill.
Give blow kisses. Oh, so nice.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, I dropped something. It's okay.
Hold on.
Please don't give him the DVD.
No. You wanna go watch this?
Yes.
Watch Up?
Up,
Yeah, you wanna go watch Up?
up,
Yeah.
up.
Up.
Maybe Mom would be able to get another hour in or something.